So a quick update on the lights I fitted not too long ago in my wheelhouse. If you look back on my videos, you'll see me fitting them, and they were easy to fit and they seemed alright to start with, but there is a problem that is actually shown up in two of the sets of the lights that I got. So these are the ones that, you can see up here, they come on basically a double-sided tape that has the LEDs embedded into the tape or mounted into the tape, and you just basically stick them on wherever you want. There you go, you've got a control unit there, and you can use a handy remote to control them. Now, you get different colours, you get red, green and blue on the LEDs, or plain white, and yeah, you can adjust the brightness and such like. Now, they were cheap, and the cheapness has shown itself, unfortunately. So the box that I haven't fitted yet, that's going back, and I'm actually going to be removing these taped on ones quite soon and replacing them with ones that are a little bit better quality. I mean, these are about a tenner a set, and yeah, it's one of those, you get what you pay for by the looks of it. So I'm going to turn off the ones that were originally up in here, these sort of saggy ones, so you can see what the problem with these ones is. So you can see I've got white over here, and white is the setting that I've put these lights on at the moment. But if you look at this, they switch to green. You can see green glow and green around there. So what's happened is that the blue of these lights has basically failed. So the blue or the red, one of those, one of the LEDs has failed. Let's ping the big lights on again. So yeah, they failed, and I now get, when I set to white, I get some of them, these ones, are in white, because that's on one of the two strings. But as they get over here, they sort of go a little bit bluey, to be fair. They're not as full of white over that side as they are over this side. And the other string starts off white, just there, and then the blue line has basically failed, and I'm not getting, well, I'm just getting green from then on along that string. So they're going back. I've got a set that are in the main cabin, and there's a section that only goes either green or yellow. Yellow, I think, for those ones. So there's a section that's only yellow. Up here I've got half of my LEDs are only green, which isn't good enough. So I'll send these back, and I will look again at getting some that are going to do what I want them to do.